Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Maths channel. This is a question from year 1 maths. And not exactly this question. I revised this question a little bit, as I don't want to copy the same question and do directly help directly with the student as question. Therefore, I have to change the student, change the question. Okay, this question is n tends to infinity, and there's two terms in the numerator, and one terms denominator. That the numerator tends to infinity, while the numerator's two terms are sine and cosine. As sine and cosine are bounded by 1 and minus 1. Therefore, whatever the n change, e to the power n change, then is still bounded by 1 and minus 1. Sine also, actually this is 10 to 0, because n tends to infinity, 1 over root n is 10 to 0, this is 10 to 0. Then you can ignore this one. But here I used the type that skill bounded by 1 and minus 1. Therefore, if v over n, then this 10 to 0, this 10 to 0, the middle one must 10 to 0. This same, this also 10 to 0. Therefore, the above question we can write into two terms: cosine e to the power n over n plus limit n tends to infinity sine 1 over root n over n. Both are 0. Therefore, both limits exist. In general, if some function f n is bounded by two integer and over some, I should write down m1 and m1 and m2. These two terms are, these two m1 and m2 are constant, fixed. And if over a infinitive, then that right hand side and the left hand side are both 10 to 0. Then the middle term must tend to 0. This is the properties of bounded function over a infinitive must be 0. Okay, hope guys can enjoy this video and help I can help you to solve this problem. Okay, see you later. Bye bye. Finally, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.